Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. It's outdoor season once again, and whether you're on the road or in the yard, BlendJet makes it easy to whip up anything from a smoothie to a great coffee. I've been using it daily and typically charge it up every couple of weeks through the USB-C port. While the blenders ship with a 16-ounce jar, you can add a 20-ounce or a 32-ounce jar for family-sized concoctions. There's a whole BlendJet community out there coming up with recipes, and the company also has an ever-growing variety of JetPacks. What else sets BlendJet apart? Founder Ryan Pamplin.
I don't think you get this level of talent within other organizations that are in our category. I don't think you have that level of passion and that level of excitement.
It shows, and Pamplin says stay tuned, there are more innovations to come. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.